Miss Y had been studying non-stop, removing duplicates, fixing errors, cleaning messy datasets, hour after hour. Until finally, she couldn't keep her eyes open anymore, and she fell asleep, and that's when her dream carried her to a place unlike anything she had ever seen. Then enters 3 old men, introducing themselves. Welcome, child. I am Mean, the one who carries everyone's opinions. I am Median, always standing in the exact middle. Mode here. I show up again, and again, and again, Miss Y asked. You're the averages? To which all 3 agreed. Indeed. Miss Y looked around. The Grand Council Hall was filled with glowing chairs, but many were empty. Miss Y inquired. My textbooks had more names. Where are the others? Mean smilingly replies. You'll meet them soon. Mean shows her 3 seats. These seats belong to the distribution guardians. Normal, binomial, and Poisson. They're visiting the probability province, teaching young numbers. These guardians help Numberland predict the future. Miss Y gasped, wow. Then she saw other 2 chairs. Mean explained. These are skewness and kurtosis. They reveal the personality of data. Mode laughed. Drama lovers. They're sculpting cloud shapes in histogram hills right now. Miss Y giggled. Then, 2 chairs lit up with swirling arrows. Median quipped in. These belong to correlation and regression, the matchmakers of Numberland. How numbers are connected, who follows them, and how strongly. Mean took her to giant courtroom. And these tall golden thrones are the judges. Z-test, T-test, and chi-square. They settle debates in the court of hypotheses. Miss Y nervously said, they look strict. Mode took her other side to ease the tension. And meet the data cleaning twins, outlier and missing value. She smiled and said, I know these 2 very well. Miss Y realized she had stepped into a world where every number had a purpose. Lost in her own thoughts, she stepped inside library. She walked toward the ancient Numberland library, where a glowing book awaited her. Its title read, The Beginning of Democracy in Numberland. She looked around and realized Miss Y's adventure had only just begun. She starts reading the book, History of Numberland. Its first chapter was, Guardians of Central Tendency.